We started a 20-week prep, and me and my coach Max Fairchild, our plan was to start our prep under 10% body fat, and I actually started my prep at 8.6%. And so right now, with my work schedule and battling through the tendonitis and the elbow problems that I'm having, I'm really only training at the most 3 to 4 times a week right now. And it seems to be benefiting me a lot. I seem to be looking better and better with the more rest that I'm getting. And so we're trying to accommodate the pain in my arm, the rehab, and the therapy with my work schedule and get my workouts in. And like I said, the rest seems to be doing me really well. I seem to be looking better and better, despite not training 5-6 days a week like I was. So it kind of begs the question, was I overtraining all this time before? I might not be one of those people that needs to train every day. We're here at 1-to-1 Training Center in Houston, hitting a little chest and tricep today. We're going to be following me through a whole week's worth of workouts, and lately I've been battling through some tendonitis in my elbow. I seem to be getting better. Still struggling with being able to go heavy on any kind of pressing, but we kind of push through it and see what happens. Right now we're only doing probably 3 20 to 30 minute sessions post-workout of cardio right now. So my body fat is consistently dropping. I'm getting leaner, striations are coming out. I'm doing very little cardio, and like I said, I'm working out 3 to 4 times a week. So the carb manipulation and the plan that we have in place, it seems to be working really well right now. My pre-workout right now is the new pre-workout by Gaspari Nutrition, the Super Drive. Taking 2 scoops of that, and taking like 75 grams of GlycoFuse during my workout. We also just came out with a brand new post-workout protein that's strictly, really for bodybuilders. It's IsoFusion, and I'm taking in 2 scoops of that post-workout before my post-workout meal, and everything seems to be working together really well right now. We're going to do some hammer strength incline press, and then we're going to superset that with the hammer strength fly machine.
Why do you do that?
Because my coach says to.
How does it feel?
The pump, it just increases the pump all that much more, just to have less of a break and to go right into something else. It just tends to benefit me a lot better. Yeah, so I'm eating, for carbs before workout, I'm eating 2 servings of cream of rice. And during my workout, I'm having 3 scoops of GlycoFuse, which is about 75 grams of carbs. And post-workout, I'm doing either 2 cups of white rice or red potatoes. I seem to be doing a lot better my body seems to be responding a lot better to the simple carbs. So I'm not taking in any sweet potatoes or brown rice, any wheat pasta, nothing like that. It's all white rice or red potatoes.
About how many carbs you doing a day?
250 to 300, and on the days I don't train, it's less than that.
You need to go outside. I've been outside. Have I not been outside? Yeah, but that's not you just did it once.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Next workout's going to be back and biceps. We'll see you then.